In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my Gmail not in English. First, let's start by opening Gmail. You will see the familiar interface with your inbox displayed. This is where you manage your emails daily. To open Gmail, simply go to your web browser and type in gmail.com. Once you hit enter, you should be directed to the Gmail login page. If you are already logged in, your inbox will appear right away. If not, enter your credentials and log in. This step is essential as it sets the stage for making changes to your Gmail settings. Now that you are in Gmail, look for the gear icon, which represents settings. It is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to access the settings menu. This is an important step because the settings menu contains all the options you need to customize your Gmail experience. Once you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you can select the option to see all settings. This will lead you to a more detailed settings page where you can make the necessary changes to fix the language issue. Next, you will click on the option that says See All Settings. After clicking this, a new page will load. This page has multiple tabs, each representing different settings for your Gmail account. Look for the language section, which is usually towards the top of the page. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the language settings directly. You will notice that there are various language options available. Now, under the language section, find the option labeled Gmail Display Language. You will see a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down to view the available languages. Among the options, you should see English US and English UK. Selecting either of these options will change your Gmail interface to English. This is important because it helps ensure that you can navigate your emails efficiently and understand all the options available to you. Once you have selected English US or English UK, scroll to the bottom of the settings page. At the bottom, you'll find a button that says Save Changes. This button is crucial because without clicking it, your changes will not be applied. It confirms your selection and makes sure your Gmail interface is updated to the language you chose. Finally, click on Save Changes. After you do this, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been saved. This reassures you that your Gmail interface is now set to English, allowing for easier navigation and communication. Remember, making these adjustments enhances your overall experience with Gmail. Now that you have completed these steps, your Gmail should now be displayed in English. If you ever need to change it again, just follow the same steps. This knowledge empowers you to personalize your email experience. Enjoy using Gmail in your preferred language.